Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Myself Ayush and I hope you all are fine. So guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you something. So guys, I recently came across the brand Sentai. Saw that they are launching their products in India and I was really curious to try it out. So I got it for myself and I received the products in this big box and their packaging is so beautiful. So now let's unbox this and see what I got for myself. This is all I got for myself. So basically I got a face wash. This is pimple clear face wash and a face scrub, and also I purchased a face wash in a tube form, and with all this I received a microfiber cloth. So first we're gonna talk about the face wash. So you can see this is how the bottle looks. It comes in a pump form. So basically Sentai Pimple Clear Face Wash, and this contains 100% natural tea tree extract and 2% salicylic acid. And guys, the price of this face wash is 360 rupees. You will get about 190 ml of the product. So guys, this is not just a regular pimple clear face wash because this contains tea tree and 2% salicylic acid, and this have a very nice green in color gel formula, and when you're gonna be applying it on your face, this will turn into foam really quick because this has such a good consistency. The smell of this face wash is so refreshing, and also this gives a very cooling sensation onto our face because this contains tea tree, and I just love the way my face feels. It feels so fresh, so clean after I washen up. And guys, this face wash is dermatologically tested. This is not tested on animal. This is PETA certified, and also their products are paraben and sulfate free. It doesn't contain any type of alcohol or soap base. So even if you have sensitive skin, you can use this, and these products are suitable for all skin types. And guys, this face wash helps to remove 99% of bacteria causing germs, and this prevents further pimples, and even if you have acne mark or spots on your face, so this helps to clear all that. And guys, I got this in a tube form also because I really love their consistency, and if you want, you can try first a smaller variant, and I'm sure you're gonna love this. So the price of this one is 180 rupees, and you will get about 100 gram of the product, and the formula, consistency, everything is same. So basically this face wash is available in 2 sizes. You can try whatever you want. So guys, take a little amount of the face wash onto your palm and gently lather it up, then apply it on your face and massage for good 1 minute, and make sure to massage it in gently circular motion, and this will clean your pores really well, and also this gives a very cooling sensation, which I love about this face wash. And you will feel your skin is breathing. Your skin will look so good and so clean. So this contain about 2% of salicylic acid, and this is made of 100% natural tea tree extract, which remove dirt, oil and impurities from skin surface to fight breakout and prevent further ones. And guys, you can check their price online to know the current price. So this is the second thing which I got. Sentai Pimple Clear 3-in-1 Face Scrub, and this contains tea tree extract and 2% salicylic acid, and this also contains walnut, and the price of this one is 225 rupees, and you will get about 80 gram of this scrub. And guys, this face scrub is dermatologically tested. This doesn't contain any type of sulfate or paraben or any toxic chemical, so this is totally safe to use. And this have a very nice creamy texture. It removes all the dead skin cells, and this is so gentle on your face. This doesn't rip off your skin. Guys, this face scrub deeply exfoliate your face and remove all the dead skin cells, blackheads, whiteheads, and give you a very nice soft supple skin. And also this doesn't make your skin feel dry afterwards. The smell of this face scrub is so good, and their particles are really tiny, and they scrubs your face really well and give you a very nice and gentle exfoliation. And guys, this improve the texture of our skin, and this evens our skin tone. Take a little amount of this face scrub onto your damp face and apply it evenly. Massage it in circular motion for about 1 to 2 minutes. This will cleanses your skin really good. Make sure to scrub it onto your nose and chin area, so this will remove all the blackheads and whiteheads and give you a very nice clear skin. This deeply exfoliate face scrub helps to clear pimples while improving your skin texture. This is made with 100% natural exfoliates. This scrub away the marks and dry uneven skin left behind the pimples. So guys, that's it for today and I hope you like this video, and if you want to purchase this product then you can check my description box for all the buying link and information, and do try this product. You can get them anywhere. They are available easily, and you can also give this to someone, and it comes in a really good packaging, so you can try it out for yourself. I hope you like this video. See you all in the next video. Until then, bye guys.